So the next question, n square minus 1 is divisible by 8 if n is dash, and the option given are integer, natural number, odd integer, even integer. If you're getting a question like this and if you don't know the answer, what you have to do is give the answer, each option as the answer and check whether the statement becomes correct or not. So I'm taking this first one, n as an integer, and you know the integers are negative integers can be there, positive integers can be there, 0 can be there. Okay, so I'm putting the value minus 1. What if we put the value of n as minus 1 or 1, n square minus 1 will be equal to minus 1 the whole square or plus 1 the whole square. Whatever it is, n square will be 1, 1 minus 1, 0. 0 is divisible by 8. There it comes true. If I am taking minus 2 and 2, minus 2 and minus 2, the whole square will be 4. 4 minus 1 will give you the value 3, which is not divisible by 8. So we can avoid this option. Okay, natural number. Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. There also 2 is there. So we can avoid. Okay, in the case of even integer also 2 is there. Even integers are 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. 2 is there. And we have already seen that 2 will not hold the statement. So this also can be avoided. So what is the last option? An odd integer. If you want, you can check it. Suppose n is equal to 3, which is an odd integer. What will be n square minus 1? N square minus 1 will be 3 square, 9 minus 1, 8 is divisible by 8. Okay, if I am taking the value of n as 5, n square will be 25 minus 1, which gives you 24, which is also divisible by 8. So the correct option will be the third option, odd integer. N must be an odd integer. Moving to the next one. When 2 raised to 256 is divided by 17, the remainder would be 1, 16, 14, none of this. So what you have to do here is 256 divided by 17. 2 raised to 256, 2 raised to 256 by 17. What you have to do here is, here the numerator is 2 raised to. So convert 17 in terms of 2 raised to. It can be written as 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16 plus 1. So same way, since we converted 17 as 2 raised to 4, here also you convert 2 raised to 56 as 2 raised to 4, the whole raised to some number. Okay, what about 2 raised to 4 whole raised to? To find this number, what you have to do? Just divide 256 with the 4. So 6 times 4 gives you 24 and 4 times 4 gives you 16, 64. And now this is of the form f of x by x plus 1. What is x? X will be equal to 2 raised to 4. And we have the theorem. We have a theorem stating that if f of x is divided by x plus 1, the remainder will be f of a. If f of x is divided by x plus a, the remainder will be f of a. So here, since f of x is divided by x plus 1, the remainder will be f of minus 1. F of minus 1. What is f of x? F of x we took as this number raised to 64. This number raised to 64, isn't it? So x we took as 2 raised to 4. So f of x will be 2 raised to 4, the whole raised to 64. Okay, so f of minus 1 will be minus 1 the whole raised to 64, which gives you the value. Since it is negative 1 raised to an even number, it will be the value 1. So, which is the answer? Option is option A. Okay, so we have a theorem stating that if f of x is divided by x minus a, the remainder will be f of a. So, like that, you are converting the given number in terms of 2. Why we are taking 2? The numerator is 2 raised to 256. So, we are converting 17 as 2 raised to 4 plus 1. Since we converted as 2 raised to 4, numerator also we need to convert. So, we are getting 2 raised to 4 raised to 64. So, this we take as x. So, numerator will be x raised to 64 by denominator is x plus 1. So, now it is of the form f of x by x minus a, where a is minus 1. And its remainder will be f of a. F of a will be f of minus 1, which gives you minus 1 raised to 64, which is 1. And the option is option A. Now, the next one. If every positive even integer is of the form 2q, positive even integer is of the form 2q, then every positive odd integer is of the form. Suppose we are taking an even integer 4. What is the next odd integer nearer to 4, which is 5? How we can express 5 in terms of 4? It will be 4 plus 1. Suppose I am taking another even integer 144. which is the next odd integer nearer to 144, which is 145. How we can express 145 in terms of 144? It is 144 plus 1. So same way, even integer can be expressed as 2q. So how can we express positive odd integer? Odd integer can be expressed as 2q plus 1. Okay, so the answer is 2q plus 1.